Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Do you think that Philippines should still escalate yung issue or should maintain restraint?
Hindi. Ito diplomacy is necessary, but it's not sufficient. Kasi yung mga, ano tawag nila doon, not verbal. Bawat isa dyan, nakatala na dito. You know, it builds like a legal and historical record. Eh, syempre, titignan yan, umabot na ng 200 plus protests. So it's important for future cases, for alliances, on their own, magbabago ang behavior ng China. So, diplomacy will only bite when it's paired with security cooperation, with economic measures, when it's coordinated with messaging with allies and partners. Kaya nga, si PBBM is working hard to build alliances. Di ba? Gibo, Teodoro, pati yung ating Navy, Coast Guard, we're working hard to have military drills with other countries kasi gusto natin ipakita sa China, meron na kaming mga friends. So diplomacy still matters, but as one tool in a larger strategy. Di ba, anong sabi ni PBBM? He will never ever get rid of diplomacy.
Pero ma'am, 'di ba minsan yun din ang parang nagiging punto de vista ng mga kritiko ni President Marcos eh. Parang iba na sinasabi nila harapan na tayong ginagago ng China sa West Philippine Sea. Ba't hindi natin gawin yung tama sa diplomasya? Parang sinasabi nila because of this, nakikita natin yung kahinaan ni President Bongbong sa international scene dahil hindi siya nagpapakita ng ng parang strength niya tulad nung ginawa daw ng Indonesia na binomba rin nila pabalik ng tubig yung barko ng China. Malaysia did that too when they were restrained para mag-explore ng island nila, ng oil exploration ng China, pero they still do it. I think ako personally, for President Marcos to improve yung personal niya, yung international affects niya sa West Philippine Sea. Para nakikita ko lang si Tariela lang mostly talaga yung matinding bumanat sa China, pero I don't hear too much from the president. Ano pong tingin niyo dyan?
I think it's also because of his personality na pag bigla siyang nag-astig-astigan, it's not gonna sound genuine. You know, people are gonna say it's gonna sound
Wala sa
fake
persona
because,
niya.
yeah,